No condensed milk and no cream. Very easy, quick, and delicious dessert. For this recipe, let's add 200 grams of powdered milk to the blender. Add 25 grams of powdered passion fruit juice. Add 300 milliliters of water. And we're going to beat these ingredients very well. And guys, you're already commenting on which city you're watching us from. I'm going to send a super special hug to everyone who's commenting. Alright, we're already finishing hitting. And now let's add our dessert to these bowls and look how creamy our dessert is. Very creamy and very beautiful. I'm sure that all of you who make it will love this recipe because it's very easy to make. Very simple, uses very few ingredients and is perfect. Now I'm going to be taking it to the fridge for about 2 hours until it sets. Finally, I'm going to put chocolate sprinkles here, but it's completely optional. It just tastes better and looks much prettier. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Mila de Onsi. Very grateful that you are always following us. I appreciate it immensely. And our dessert was ready and it was perfect. Very beautiful, super creamy, and delicious. So if you liked it already, share and see you next time. Goodbye.